I'm reviewing the keyboard options for any relevant settings. Under Filter Keys, turn on Ignore Brief or Repeated Keystrokes and change keyboard repeat rates.
Okay, so ignore repeated keystrokes, then what?
If you see more options under Filter Keys, turn on Repeat Keys. Then use the drop-down menu to increase the delay for the first and subsequent repeated keystrokes. Sure, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, on your computer, use Windows Search and open Ease of Access settings. It might also be called Accessibility settings.
Okay.
In the left menu, select Keyboard.
Okay.
Under Filter Keys, turn on Ignore Brief or Repeated Keystrokes and change keyboard repeat rates.
So I change keyboard repeat rates too.
Delay for repeated keystrokes to a higher value, such as 1 second, to help prevent characters from repeating too quickly. Open Notepad or any word processing app and type a few sentences to see if the keyboard is working better.